Listen, I have serious beef with him right now. If you have beef with me, why don't we settle it? Hey friend, welcome to Let's Talk Context, American English idioms, phrasal verbs, and expressions. For today's lesson, we're going to talk about the idiom have beef. Now, there are variations of this. You could also say have a beef with, have a beef with. What does it mean to have beef with someone? Now, in the first example, I said, I have beef with him right now. In the second example, I said, if you have beef with me, we could settle it right now. The idea of having beef, it means you have an issue. You have a problem with someone. Maybe the person irritates you, they make you angry, or there's just something about them that you just don't like. You can go to someone and say, I have beef with you. I've got beef with you. And so you see we use the verb to have, and we use the preposition with. You have beef with someone, or you have a beef with someone. You have an issue, you have a problem, you could get into an argument, or there's some sort of contention there. Have you had beef with someone recently? If so, write about it in the comment section. Well, that's it for today's lesson. To learn more American English idioms, phrasal verbs, and expressions, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And be sure to turn on your notifications so that you know every time we release a new video. See you later.